Hello, konnichiwa, bonjour tout le monde. It's part 2 about when I went to Vogel Park. So let's go. In this video, I saw many birds, like a parrot or other, but there are lots of them who I don't know their names. This one was funny with his eyes and they're maybe playing in the water. It's a parrot, I don't know, but I like him. Hey, look, it's two baby birds. It was difficult to distinguish because they don't have feathers yet. That was a lot of nishikigoi and I gave them food. In here it was a penguin. I wanted to give a food to this big bird. In the plate there are small pieces of apples. I hope you enjoy in this video. If yes, subscribe. Merci d'avoir regardé jusqu'à la fin. Je vous dis à la prochaine vidéo. Goodbye, matane.